everybody, good morning. I just wanted to let you know today I'm going to try to do the hair dryer again. Hopefully we'll get some really good flow out of it. So of course, first of all, I'm going to put some white on here. I want the white to be nice and heavy, and that's going to make the paint spread a little bit better. Well-used sticks. Careful, I don't want to tilt it too much. Bring it up to this camera as well. Really like. I use the heater on it, but I really don't want too many cells on it. There's nothing but really like. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Any questions, please leave a comment below, and please subscribe. And if you have any questions, really, I'd love to hear them.